Welcome to another interesting video with fun and unknown facts. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's get started. Please do subscribe for more videos.
Red sea urchins are believed to be almost immortal. They are found in the shallow water of the Pacific Ocean along the west coast of North America. These small, spiny creatures have been known to live for more than 200 years. Macaws can live up to 60 to 80 years, while their breeding age ranges from 30 to 35 years. Unfortunately, the majority of macaws are now endangered in the wild, and a few are already extinct due to habitat degradation and the illegal pet trade. The largest surviving land animals have an average lifespan of 70 years. And a recent Zimbabwean study has found that female African elephants can potentially remain fertile until their death. The largest living species of tortoise that can survive well past 100, with the oldest recorded at 152. The most famous Galapagos tortoise was Lonesome George, a subspecies who lived on the islands. He was 100 years old and still classed as a young adult. Bowhead whales have an average lifespan of 200 years. One whale was even found with fragments of a harpoon dating back to the 1800s in its blubber. They spend their lives in the Arctic and subarctic and are the fifth largest marine mammal. These sharks can reach ages of 200 years old, although one individual was found that was 400 years old, making it the oldest vertebrate in the world. They live so long because they grow very slowly. They grow about 1 centimeter a year and reach maturity at about 100 years old. Now that's a long childhood. A very unique jellyfish which can revert back to its premature state when exposed to stress or injury. Whilst this means it is biologically immortal, in practice they don't live forever and get injured and eaten just like other animals. Hedgehogs have tough lives, half die in their first year, and few live longer than 3 years. 14 years, tiger lifespan. Young tigers suffer a high mortality rate, with 50% dying before the age of 1. 35 years, Western gorilla lifespan. Gorillas mature slowly and breed late. Females give birth for the first time at the age of about 10, and have one baby every 4 years. Tuatara are the only surviving members of an order that flourished about 200 million years ago, the Sphenodontia. Essentially, they are living fossils. Tuatara are also among the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth, with some individuals living over 100 years. Native to New Zealand and Australia, these eels often live to 60 years old, with the oldest living longfin eel recorded as being 106 years old. Like the Greenland shark, these fish grow very slowly, which is why they can grow so old. Koi are an ornamental, domesticated variety of the common carp. They have an average lifespan of 40 years, while the oldest known koi lived to be over 200 years. Koi can grow up to 3 feet in length, and are native to the fresh waters of the Caspian Sea. While their average lifespan is only about, there's one Manx shearwater who's been circling the globe for at least 51 years, and who has flown an estimated 5 million miles in his lifetime. According to this, Manx shearwater is the oldest wild bird on record. Ornithologists ringed the bird in 1957, and he was off an island in Wales in 2004.
Please do subscribe for more videos.